Hello, Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston, and we are on our available 2024 210 Vantage. This is one of Whaler's newest models. When you look into a 21-foot boat, this boat has a lot of the big boat features that the rest of the Vantage lineup carries. The reversible port side lounger here can be laid all the way down. From an entertaining space, you have a lot of seating configurations. Something simple as putting some cushion on the backrest for when the lounger is all the way down. Allows a really nice 8.5-foot sunbed. Looking back, you get two pop-up jump chairs that, great for additional seating to have forward-facing seating when you're underway. And then if you're going to do some fishing, you have a nice casting deck. The Vantage dual console lineup is kind of a do-everything boat. Great boat for a family going to a sandbar. It's still trailable and can fit in most garages. Looking at the helm, you've got Simrad Electronics, which we've come to know. Brunswick, the parent company, owns Mercury, Boston Whaler, and Simrad. So from your engine, boat, electronics, everything's talking, which is great. Moving forward into the bow, you'll notice, again, it kind of has that same style look as the other Vantages, where you have the garage door style storage area, which maximizes the space. For more information on this 210 Vantage, please contact Steve Ladon at 774-991-3880.